What's up, Peak Timers? It is Hot Wheels ID time, and this is our third batch of Hot Wheels ID cars. And I know there's only 4, so it's kind of weird that they released 4 for the third batch. But here they are. I picked them up on Amazon. I will link them in the description box below. So if you guys want to pick them up or know the current pricing, make sure you click on those links. Let's have a look which ones we got. We got the 69 Corvette Racer, the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7, Rally Finale, and Super Blitzen. Let's go ahead and pop them all open here. We will start with, let's start with Super Blitzen. Let's have a look at the box first. There is the Super Blitzen on the box right there. We'll open it up and we get a couple of the details for Super Blitzen. Does still specify that it's Series 1 Hot Wheels race team car number 2 of 5, and there it is hovering kind of in there. Let's go ahead and pop it open, and we usually just slice the sides of these to pop them open. Slice this side right there, and let's get my knife a little bit more open here, and let's slice this side right there. Let's see if that worked out for us. There we go. We pop it on open. You can see how it nicely sits right there, and then these two things will just pop right up, and we'll pull the car right out, and there it is, Super Blitzen. And as you guys know, the Hot Wheels ID cars are just a lot more detailed. The paint job on them is a lot better. I love the tire, the lettering on the tires. It just looks really, really cool. So Super Blitzen fantasy car, as you guys know, number 42 on there. And we can see it all around. It's kind of like a goldish color for it. And there it is on the bottom. It says Hot Wheels ID. Super Blitzen, our first one. We'll put Super Blitzen aside. Next one, let's open up this one here. We've got the 69 Corvette Racer. I think this is my favorite one of the 4 for this release. And this one, as we can see right there, some more details and stuff on the inside. Series 1 Hot Wheels race team car number 1 of 5, 69 Corvette Racer. And let's go ahead and pop this one open as well. We'll slice the sides of it. Be careful if you have a knife to slice these. Don't want to hurt yourself. There we go. Pop that one open and slide it up just like that. And the details on this one so far looks really good. Check it out. 69 Corvette Racer. It's got the 69 on there. And I love, just look at the tampo detail on this one. Doesn't that look awesome? Okay, wow. Okay, I was not expecting that. Really, really good tampo detail work on there. I like the roll cage look as well. And these wheels, big wheels on the back of it, the smaller ones on the front. We get some nice details on the front end as well. And the nice tampo detail on the back. And again, I've said this before for all the Hot Wheels ID cars. The Hot Wheels ID cars are just way more detailed, way higher quality. They're definitely a premium car compared to a standard mainline car. So I mean, that's why you pay the price. You pay more. You're paying about anywhere from $7 to $10 for these each, which is around the above the car culture pricing for cars. So they're more expensive than that, and they've got their little computer chip in there for the Hot Wheels ID. Next up, Rally Finale fantasy car, and let's have a check out of it. Hot Wheels race team car number 5 of 5. Rally Finale, Series 1. There's some detail work on there as well if you want to see it. All right, let's pop this one open here. Rally Finale. There, slice that, and we'll slice. Oh, there is a sticker. I was going to say there's no sticker on this side, but it's just really tight in there. There we go. All right, we'll pop that one open. We'll put that one aside right there, and then we'll pop it up just like that. Rally Finale. Oh, wow, the color of this one looks great. Look at the color and tampo work of this one. I just like total Spectra flame paint job, and it looks like it's got a wrap. That is cool. That's so cool. Seriously, every time I open up a new Hot Wheels ID car, I'm just more and more impressed with the quality of these cars. There it is from the front. It's got some cool little lights and stuff for Rally Finale. And then in the back, we've got the bigger lights right there, the nice little spoiler right there. It's a cool little fantasy rally car. Rally Finale. All right, we'll put that one aside. We'll do the last, but definitely not least, 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. And this one is the factory fresh car number 6 of 6. There we go, and there's some detail work on the inside of it as well. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. Just like that. Boom, just like that. And we'll slide it on open. We'll put that aside. And there is our car And we'll just pop it out. There we go. Project 7 F-Type. We've seen many different color variations of this one in the main line, but check it out for Hot Wheels ID. Very nice paint job on there. Again, the Spectra Flame paint job. I don't even know what you would call this color. Like, what? Like, it's kind of like a grayish, bluish, I don't even know what to call this color, but you guys can decide. Great tempo work on the rear and then on the front. Nice little stripe down there, which the Project 7s have. There they are. Let's grab all 4 of them so you guys can see. And there's some good ones. There's some really good ones in here. The F-Type Project 7 Rally Finale Super Blitzen 69 Corvette race car. Comment it down below. Which one do you guys like the best? Which is your favorite out of this release of Hot Wheels ID cars? And again, make sure you check the link in the description box below. I'll link all these cars if you guys want to pick them up. Thank you very much. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.